Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Greenworks Weed Eater 40V is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, designed to tackle stubborn weeds and overgrown grass with ease, making your yard maintenance a breeze and leaving you with a perfectly manicured finish every time. Its advanced 40-volt battery system ensures consistent power delivery and extended runtimes, so you can complete your yard work without interruption, all while enjoying a lightweight and ergonomic design that minimizes fatigue during prolonged use, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking efficiency and performance. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Effortlessly switch between trimming and edging your lawn. This versatile tool converts in seconds, making yard work a breeze. Never worry about running out of line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding with the push of a button. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach difficult areas and tackle sloped terrain with ease. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to trim and edge precisely where needed. Achieve perfectly straight lines and cleaner cuts every time. The rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for a professional finish. Protect your delicate plants and landscaping. The adjustable spacer guard ensures you trim without damaging surrounding features. This tool comes with two powerful 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They are lightweight and compatible with all other WORX PowerShare tools. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging. If you're looking for a tool that can handle both tasks efficiently and has a unique line feed system, this is a great choice. Its adjustable head makes it perfect for tackling uneven terrain and hard-to-reach areas. What people say. It is lightweight and easy to handle. The battery life is excellent, lasting for about 45 minutes on a single charge. It has a powerful motor that cuts through thick weeds with ease. Number 4. Greenworks 40V Cordless Yard Tool Combo Kit. Conquer overgrown edges along driveways and walkways with this powerful system. It clears them in half the time, instantly boosting your home's curb appeal. Slice through tough weeds choking fences and garden borders with the commercial-grade trimmer. Its auto-feed feature makes tackling thick brush effortless. Banish wet leaves and debris from concrete surfaces with the powerful blower. Its cruise control maintains perfect gutter-clearing power for efficient cleanup. This 40V battery fuels our entire ecosystem, allowing you to seamlessly swap between multiple tools. Enjoy extended use with a quick 60-minute charge. Experience comfortable yard work with its lightweight and balanced design. Clean edges and corners for hours without fatigue, as it's 30% lighter than gas alternatives. Tackle early morning cleanup without disturbing neighbors thanks to its quiet operation. It's ideal for maintaining pristine outdoor areas any time of day. Transform your yard into a magazine-worthy landscape while saving money. Enjoy zero gas costs and potential tax rebates for a beautiful, cost-effective solution. What we like. This combo kit is designed for those who want to tackle their entire yard with one system. If you have a larger property with both overgrown areas and a lot of debris to clear, this is the perfect solution. The included blower is powerful enough for tough jobs, making it ideal for maintaining a pristine yard quickly. What people say. The Greenworks Weed Eater 40V is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. It has a good balance and is comfortable to hold for extended periods, reducing fatigue. The battery life is impressive, lasting long enough to complete most yard tasks on a single charge. Number 3. Wild Badger Power 20V Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 20V Combo. This versatile tool tackles both trimming and blowing with ease. Designed for ultimate ease of use, it makes yard work simple for everyone. Adjust speeds and settings effortlessly for a perfect finish. Its adjustable telescopic shaft extends to fit users of all heights. Enjoy a comfortable and ergonomic experience every time you use it. Experience powerful performance with a 7,500 revolutions per minute string trimmer that cuts through weeds effortlessly. The leaf blower delivers a strong 134 miles per hour air speed. This kit includes two 2.0Ah batteries and a charger, part of our expandable 20V platform. Grow your tool collection and save money with interchangeable batteries. From trimming to blowing and edging, this combo is your complete yard care solution. It's designed to simplify your routine and enhance your outdoor space. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for beginners or those who value simplicity. If you're looking for a tool that's incredibly easy to operate and adjust for your height, this is it. It combines multiple yard tools into one, making it a cost-effective and convenient option for basic yard maintenance. What people say. The Greenworks Weed Eater 40V is a powerful tool that makes yard work a breeze. It has a long-lasting battery and is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the yard. I was impressed with the performance of the Greenworks Weed Eater 40V. It cut through thick weeds and grass with ease, and the battery life was excellent. The adjustable handle made it comfortable to use for extended periods. The Greenworks Weed Eater 40V is a great addition to my lawn care equipment. It's quiet, efficient, and the battery charges quickly. I appreciate the durable construction and the ease of assembly. Number 2. Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer. Experience efficient trimming with its 12-inch cutting path and dual line. It delivers clean, consistent results for grass and light weeds around your lawn and landscaping. Our auto feed line system advances the cutting line automatically during operation. This eliminates the need for bumping and ensures smooth, uninterrupted trimming. Easily adjust the power with the variable speed trigger. You get precise control for edging and extra power when you need it most. Designed to be lightweight and well-balanced, it reduces user fatigue. This makes it comfortable to use for all your routine yard maintenance tasks. Enjoy added confidence with our 3-year limited warranty. It covers both the tool and the battery, ensuring long-term reliability. What we like. For those who demand consistent and clean results, this trimmer is an excellent option. If you have a medium-sized yard and appreciate precise control over your trimming, the variable speed feature is a game-changer. The dual-line cutting ensures efficiency, and the long warranty provides peace of mind. What people say. This is a great little weed eater. It is lightweight and easy to use. The battery life is also very good. I was able to weed eat my entire yard on one charge. I love this weed eater. It is so much easier to use than my old gas-powered one. It is also much quieter. I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for a new weed eater. This weed eater is a beast. It is powerful and gets the job done quickly. I was able to trim around my entire yard in no time. The battery life is also impressive. I highly recommend this weed eater. Number 1. Greenworks 40V Cordless String Trimmer Weed Whacker. Easily switch between trimming and edging in just 3 clicks. Achieve razor-sharp lawn borders with the integrated steel edging guide. Reach under decks, edge sidewalks, clear fence lines, and detail flower beds with ease. Its autoline system handles even tough weeds. Tackle thick weeds and shrubs with the included brush cutter attachment. You'll also get 20 replacement blades for continuous use. Adjust the telescoping shaft and handle for a comfortable fit, whether you're 5 feet 2 inches or 6 feet 4 inches. Enjoy reduced fatigue thanks to its lightweight design and anti-vibration technology. Benefit from the industry's longest 3-year warranty on both the tool and battery. Plus, the 40V battery is compatible with over 75 other tools in the Greenworks system. What we like. This trimmer is built for tackling tougher jobs and offers exceptional maneuverability. If you frequently deal with thick weeds, overgrown areas, or need to get into tight spots under decks, this is the tool for you. The included brush cutter attachment and pivoting head make it incredibly versatile for challenging yard work. What people say. The Greenworks Weed Eater 40V has a good battery life, lasting for about 45 minutes on a single charge. The Weed Eater is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It comes with a decent string line that effectively cuts through thick weeds and grass. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.